Guys, there's a Thai Airways A350 going to take off right over us. Wow. Oh. It's gonna go all the way to Bangkok. Oh, den här var 350. Wow, guys. I've been so excited for this one. It's going to the runway. My camera's ready and everything. Hell yeah. I've been so excited for this Thai. Guys, it's turning onto the runway. I'm so ready. Guys, he's taking off. That's so big. That's humongous compared to the other small planes that land here. Wow. That's oh, he's flying. He's off the ground. Here he comes. Guys, that was so big. Whoa. Oh, he's banking a little bit. Wow. Got a Scandinavian Airlines there. Guys, he's taking off. He's taking off. Yoo-hoo. Oh, he's off the ground. He's up in the air. Here he comes. Guys, that was so cool. But it wasn't like nearly as big as the last one we saw. I mean, it was also an Airbus, but yeah, we got another plane there. Don't know what it is. I'm gonna check it out. Apparently, that's an Iceland Air. But if you want to see it take off, check out part 2.